Let me go with the 12th problem here, right? 2/5 of 1/4 of 3/7 of a number is 15. What is half of that number? Right, let us consider, let the number be x, right? What they have given here, see, 2/5 of means multiplication, 1/4 and 3/7 of x is equal to 15. So therefore, x is equal to 15, so transfer that side. So denominator, when you transfer, so goes to numerator, that is going to be 5 into 4 into 7, that divided by here. So numerator becomes denominator, comes to denominator, that is 2 into 1 into 3, right? So is equal to, x is equal to, now simplify it here, 3 1s are 3 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? Now x is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 7, right? Which is, if you multiply 25, 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50 into 7, which is going to be 350. X is equal to 350. We are able to find that number. Now what the question is, what is half of that number? So that is 350, half of it, that is 1/2. So divide it. So 2 1s are 1 remainder, right? 2 7s are 14, 1 5s are, so 175. Option B is the right answer.